In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate a form in Smartsheet. If you need to stop collecting responses from a Smartsheet form, the process is simple once you know where to look. This is useful if a form is outdated, if you've already collected all the information you need, or if you want to prevent any new submissions while keeping the data you already have. The important thing to remember is that turning off a form stops future responses, but it usually does not remove the responses that have already been submitted. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that is connected to the form you want to manage. Since forms are tied directly to a specific sheet, you'll need to begin there rather than from a separate dashboard or workspace. Once the sheet is open, look for the Forms option and click it. This will bring up the list of forms associated with that sheet so you can see all available forms in one place. Next, select the specific form you want to deactivate. If your sheet has more than one form, take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct one before making any changes. This is especially helpful if you use different forms for different teams, projects, or request types. After opening the form settings, turn off, deactivate, or remove the form, depending on the options available in your version of Smartsheet. The wording may vary slightly, but the goal is the same. You're disabling access so people can no longer use that form to send in new responses. Once that change is saved, the form will stop accepting submissions. At that point, anyone who tries to access the form will no longer be able to submit information through it. This is the key result of deactivating the form. So if you're trying to pause intake or officially close a request process, this is the step that makes it happen. It's also helpful to know that existing responses usually remain in the sheet. In other words, disabling the form does not typically erase the data you already collected. Your previously submitted entries should still be available in the connected sheet for review, reporting, or future reference. If you need the form again later, you can usually reactivate it or create a new one when the time is right. That gives you flexibility if the pause is only temporary or if you want to relaunch with updated questions. And that's how to deactivate a form in Smartsheet.